Hey, welcome back to your favorite technical mathematics class. We're going to talk about similar triangles and demonstrate what they are and use properties to solve problems. So two triangles are similar if they both have equal angles. Okay, although they may be different side lengths. So their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay? So if you look at these two, these are similar triangles. You notice angle K, see how it's got two of these kind of striped things, if you will? That lines up with angle B. So angle K and angle B are the same. So I know angle B is 106 degrees. Okay? And then the other thing I want to keep in mind with any triangle, all three angles in a triangle, so angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, all of them add up, the interior angles, to 180 degrees in a triangle. Okay, so angle M, let's do it with three stripes here. Angle M, so M, N, and angle K all add up to 180 degrees. Well, we don't know angle M, but we do know N is 25, K is 106. So 25, 106, we got 131 minus 180. So I'm left with angle M must be 49 degrees then. That's the remaining one. Well, if angle M is 149, the third one that's missing here would be angle A. So angle A is also 49 degrees. Okay? So let's assume that angle or triangle ABC. Let me draw A, B, C. So here's A, B, C. Similar to A prime, B prime, C prime. And it says if AB, so side length AB is 13, let's fill that in. AB is 13, BC is 14, and AC is 16. And the shortest side of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is 18. Well, the shortest side, so if these are similar, so notice when they say they're similar, that means AB would go with A prime, B prime. Well, AB is the shortest on the smaller triangle, so the A prime, B prime would be 18. And now these are proportional. So 13 is to 18. 13 is to 18 as 14 would be to B prime, C prime. 14 would be to that B prime, C prime. And so we can solve that now. So what we do is we cross multiply. 13 times this B prime, C prime equals 18 times 14. So I cross multiply there. Well, 18 times 14 gives me 252. And now all I got to do is divide by 13 on both sides. And so I have B prime, C prime must be 252 divided by 13, which is 19.3846. Let's just round that to the nearest tenth, so 19.4. Okay, so let's erase this question mark. Now let's say that's got to be 19.4. Okay. Now let's do the rest of these. So again, the proportion is 13 is to 18. 13 is to 18. That's the proportion we're setting up. As 16 is to question mark here. 16 is to A prime, C prime. Again, cross multiply 13 times A prime, C prime equals 18 times 16. Well, 18 times 16 is 288. Now let's divide by 13. So A prime C prime equals 288 divided by 13, which is 22.1538. Let's round that to the nearest tenth as well. So 22.2 is A prime C prime. Okay, so I can erase this question mark up here. I'm going to go ahead and put in 22.2 right there for A prime C prime. So again, you're setting up proportions. Let's do this next one. And on level ground, an oak tree casts a shadow 36 meters long. So we've got this shadow situation again. Here's my terrible looking sun. We've got this oak tree on the ground. And it's casting a shadow, right? It's casting a shadow onto the ground. So here's my triangle right here, 90-degree triangle. And it says, at the same time, there's a pole. Let's do this pole in red. There's a pole. And it's casting a shadow that is 12 meters long. Okay, and this oak tree is casting a shadow that is 36 meters long. Okay. And they also tell us this pole is 9 meters tall. A 9-meter tall pole casts a 12-meter shadow. Okay. And they want to know how tall is the tree. I'm going to call that X. So I've really got two triangles. Here's the big one, 36X. Here's the small one with the pole, 9-meter tall pole casting a 12-meter shadow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a proportion. I'm going to go big to small this time. X is to 9 as 36 is to 12. That's 36 is to 12. And by the way, 36 divided by 12, I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. That's 3 over 1. So x over 9 is 3, or 3 over 1. And now I'm going to cross multiply. X times 1, so 1x equals 9 times 3, 27. So 1x is 27. X is 27. That's how tall that tree is. It's 27, and we're in meters. Meters tall. That's how tall that tree is. So hopefully that kind of gets you going with these similar triangles. See you next time. Thanks for taking notes.